Hey everybody, welcome back to First Tries Cooking. Got a quick and dirty one for you today. Well, not really dirty, but it's shrimpy. I was debating on whether to do a video for this or not, but you know what? We'll just do a quick one. We're doing butter garlic shrimp. Never done it before. We're going to see how it works and we'll give you a full rundown. Alright, so what we've got here is 1 head of garlic, roughly chopped, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to use some oil to fry up said garlic. And we're about to make this place smell like heaven. Alright, so I just threw a piece of garlic in here to see if the oil was hot. Basically I've got probably, I don't know, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch of oil in here. I'm going to throw in this garlic. Oh yeah. And we're just going, I've got it on a medium-high heat. My stove goes to 9, I guess, and I've got it on 7. Get all that in there. Oh man, it smells good already. And we're just going to get this to a nice golden brown and then immediately drain it. And we're starting to get some color here, looking good. Smells amazing. I think we just got another minute or so. Okay, I think this is about the color we're going for. That was almost exactly a minute later after I mentioned that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these off the heat before they burn and drain them quickly. Sorry, I'm just blocking the shots, but I'm right-handed. There we go. Oh, yeah.
What is it?
You see that? That looks so good. So we're going to save this. We're going to throw it back in with the shrimp here in a second. In the same pan, we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of butter. We're actually making some garlic mashed potatoes over here, so sorry. We're making some garlic butter now to cook the shrimp in. Alright, we're going to add just the onion powder, the ginger powder, garlic powder, sugar, and the fish sauce. Hello. Mix this all up. I've never cooked with fish sauce before, so this smells kind of interesting. So I don't know if I burnt the butter or if this is what the fish sauce did with it, but I think we're going to start over and maybe omit the fish sauce and do it at a lower heat. I turned it down to about 5, so yeah, I think we're going to start over with the garlic butter. Alright, it looks better this time. It smells a lot better too, I'm just going to say. So if any of you know what happened during that last experiment, let me know. And we're going to throw in the 2 pounds of peeled jumbo shrimp, which took me a while to peel. That was a pain in the butt, let me just say. And I am not wise in the ways of tossing these like, you know, expert, so I'm just going to move these around in here until they're cooked. We're just going to add a little bit of black pepper, maybe. also. You can use fresh ground. I just don't have a grinder that grinds it really fine, so there we go. Alright, I think we're getting just about done. They're looking good. Gonna add a little bit of the oil that we cooked the garlic in. And we're going to toss the garlic back in. Try and coat everything. Give everybody a nice coat. Since it's winter, everybody needs a nice coat. Right? Mm-hmm. Bad jokes. Don't them look good. So sorry for the non-official taste test, except for these two guys right here. But we've been working on home improvements, and you can see it's kind of a mess. So that being said, pick one.
Just pick one. Okay, I should say just two.
Just put your fingers on all of them. It's okay. All right, go. That's good.
Good.
You can actually taste the ginger.
Oh,
These are delicious.
It's not super garlicky like you would think.
But it is really good.
Yeah. I mean, you can kind of taste a little bit of everything that's in there, especially the shrimp, which is good. I would have thought that I found a video online of this shrimp sort of recipe, but it was just a guy showing you how to make it, and I just kind of watched it a few times and made my own recipe. So I'll put mine down in the description below. You can put the fish sauce in it if you're daring. I omitted it this time, but I think it's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Definitely it is.
2 thumbs up for this.
cool.
Yes. 10 thumbs up for
10?
this.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right.
Good.
We're going to go enjoy this. So thanks for joining us, and
Smash the like button. Slap that subscribe button. Keep the notification bell.
yeah, baby.
See you next time.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Real soon.